Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Robinhood account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your security options. Step 3. Select Security. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security option and tap on it. This section contains all the security features available for your account. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication and toggle it on. You may be prompted to enter your password again for verification. Step 5. Choose your authentication method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as SMS or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be active on your Robinhood account, enhancing your security. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure.